The Edgemaster machine is powered by either an electric motor or a Honda engine. The electric machine has an on-off switch beside the receptacle for the electric lead. All engine-powered machines are powered by Honda engines. The Honda engine has a kill switch, an on-off valve for fuel, a choke lever and a throttle lever. If any engine won't start, please check the oil level in accordance with the engine manufacturer's handbook, as some engines are provided with a fail-safe to prevent starting of the engine when the oil level is low. Refer to the Honda engine manual for other regular maintenance requirements on any equipment with engines fitted. Your electric Edgemaster has an overload reset button, which is located at the rear of the motor and may be accessed through the hole provided. Your machine is equipped with a travel wheel located at the front of the machine. It's recommended you locate the wheel in the down position to make your machine easier to move around the worksite. It is removed when the machine is in use. Your Edgemaster machine has two primary level controls. Height adjustments are made by turning the handles on both the left or right telescopic struts. By turning both handles at the same time in a clockwise direction, the machine is lowered. By turning the handles both in an anti-clockwise direction, the machine is raised. The machine can be tilted one way or the other by turning either handle independently. A level indicator is fixed to the machine as a guide to assist in keeping the machine level whilst in operation. The telescopic struts are mounted on a slip steering system, which allows the steering assembly to be slid from one side of the machine to the other. Lock bolts are provided to lock the slip steering in place once you've set up your machine to suit the site. The steering handle can be fitted on either side of the machine. Steering lock bolts allow the machine's course to be set to a particular curve. As with all machines, your Edgemaster maintenance will depend on the amount of usage. This maintenance program assumes a heavy usage of 6 to 8 hours per day. Fortnightly, use an oil can or grease gun to lubricate ball ends on ram pushrod and steering links. Grease slide channels on slip steering system to ensure smooth operation. Lubricate top bearing on both telescopic struts. Check all bolts visually to make sure they are tight and wipe the machine over with an oily rag to protect the powder coat finish. Half yearly. Check the gearbox oil level. To access the gearbox, remove the rear lower plate. An oil level indicator is located on the bottom of the gearbox. Maintain oil level at center line using gear oil 85W140 or similar. Remove the top cover plate to check for wear on pulleys and V-belt. If the V-belt needs tension adjustment, remove the Nutri-Link belt and take out one link. With a pair of pliers, twist the lock 90 degrees in 3 consecutive links. Bend the links in an up and down motion until the link is free. Rejoin using the reverse procedure. Ensure the locks are returned. Run the belt back onto the pulleys and check its tension again. Replace the cover plate. Your Edge Prep machine has a cutting depth control. Height adjustments are made with the handle. By turning the handle clockwise, the cutting blade is lowered into the ground. An anti-clockwise direction raises the cutting blade out of the ground. Your machine's front-wheel drive can be engaged by locating the clutch lever in the slot on the control handles. Assuming a daily usage of 1 to 2 hours, regular maintenance is important. Regularly, check the main drive belt and pulleys visually for wear and check the belt tension. If the belt requires tensioning, the 4 engine mounting bolts must be loosened and the engine slid forward in the slots. Ensure the 4 bolts are tight after making this adjustment. Check the forward drive belt and pulleys for wear and check the belt tension. Should the belt require tensioning, remove one link from the Nutri-Link belt. as described in the Edgemaster maintenance section. Once adjusted, run the belt back onto the pulleys. Check all bolts and screws for tightness. Check the cutting blade for damage or excessive wear. Wipe the machine over with an oily rag to clean and protect the powder coat finish. Monthly, locate the 4 grease nipples on the bearing housings and lubricate with a grease gun. Make sure you don't over-grease these bearings, as you may accidentally damage their dust seals. A little is sufficient. Using an oil can, lubricate the front-wheel drive slide, clutch linkage and telescopic strut with an oil can.